Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Snapchat account public. First, it's important to understand that a public profile allows a much wider audience to see your content and discover you. This is different from a private account, which restricts who can view your stories and send you messages. We'll walk through the simple steps to adjust your settings and increase your visibility on the platform. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, you'll want to tap on your profile icon, which is usually a small circle located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. From there, look for the gear icon, typically in the top right corner, and tap it to access your settings menu. This is where all your privacy controls reside. Now that you're in your settings, scroll down to the Privacy Controls section. Here, you'll find several options. First, tap on Who Can Contact Me and select Everyone. Next, go to Who Can View My Story and also choose Everyone. Finally, make sure to enable Show Me in Quick Add. This allows other users to easily find and add you, significantly boosting your public presence. By making these changes, your Snapchat account is now public, allowing you to reach a much broader audience and connect with new people. This can be great for sharing your creativity, building a community, or simply expanding your social circle. Remember to always share content you're comfortable with being public. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.